I'm Mahtab. You are watching Best Belly Dance Workout, the best YouTube channel with belly dance tutorials, tips and exercises. In this video, I will give you my tip how to get prepared for the photo shoot. My tip number one is to plan ahead the style of the photo shoot and the results you want to achieve. Think how you want to use these photos. Are they for your website, for social media, maybe for offers, or you would like to prepare a roll-up? So in each of these cases you will need a little bit different photos. Then find a photographer that takes photos in the style that you like. Then find a location, because you can take photos not only in a photographer's studio, but maybe some nice outdoors. And now, very important tip, practice the poses and do this before the photo shoot. So when it will be time for taking photos, you will be prepared and you will not waste your time on thinking what to do next. You can find an inspiration on the internet, so search for the photos in the style that you like. Remember, you don't have to copy the poses. It's always better to create something new and to do something that looks good on you. So find an inspiration, then practice in front of the mirror. You can also ask someone to take photos of you, even with the mobile phone. You will see how it looks. And if you're working with professional photographer, he will also help you a little bit with posing, but it's good to be prepared and to know what to do. Try different poses and stay in a move, so these photos will look interesting, and then you'll have 10 different photos and not only one pose in 5 different costumes. Before the photo shoot, remember to talk to your photographer and tell him about your expectations and your plan, so he will also have time to prepare his studio and maybe he'll have some nice ideas. My next tip is to prepare very well costumes, props and jewelry. So some fabrics will need to be ironed, like for example veils or skirts. Remember about the hair, makeup and nails. You can do it by your own, or maybe a photographer is co-working with a hairdresser and makeup artist. And on the day of the photo shoot, remember to be well rested, to eat some light meal because you will need some energy, but you don't want to feel heavy. And when you will be on your way to a photo shoot, remember to wear clothes that will not leave marks on your body. And it's very important for belly dancers, because when you will be wearing, for example, bedleg with bra and skirt, your belly will be visible. And during the photo shoot, just relax, have fun, move, use props like veils, fan veils or icy swings. A photographer will help you to feel comfortable, will give you some ideas, and you will see that your photo shoot will be just perfect. And now I will show you one of my photo shoots. Let's go! would like to know what are your ideas for photo shoots, where you look for inspirations, how you get prepared for the photo shoot. So leave your ideas in comments below this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to leave thumb up and subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications about all new videos on Best Belly Dance Workout YouTube channel. And if you'd like to learn belly dance online, visit my page bestbellydanceworkout.com, where you can get access to my unique online belly dance programs like complete belly dance course, isolations and layers program, and 15 minutes workout. Thank you and see you in next videos.